10th of November 2021. It's a year we must live to remember. I think these are one of the first programs that we do to program of the day. Please, you can still share. As I quickly introduce the topic to you, education was designed to make you a fool and a slave. Education, and we're going to be looking at it. Education, we're made to make you. We're designed to make you a fool and a slave. And I'm going to be revealing to you the reason why they brought it. So, during the time of our, not be arithmetic with the C. Now, arithmetic now, they come about mathematics and further maths. Just to put you to mental slavery. At the end of the day, we are where we are today. And we're also going to be looking at the three kinds of people who say trust the science. We are going to be looking at the three kinds of people who say trust the science. And we're also going to be looking at the three types of people you see in this world. Please share this very broadcast to the glory of God and to the shame of the shenanigans. Ancient of days, as usual, breathe in your word and let there be healing and let there be salvation. This is the word you've given to me, bellies. 5 days today. I'm disturbed tonight that I must have to give your people this because there's something significant about this very word. Thank you, Lord, for using me to do this exposition. That where we African is today is not where we are supposed to be. And the culture that they have given to us, give us the grace. As your word keep on coming forth from the throne of grace so that we might be able to discolonize our mind and become Afrocentric that you have made us to be. Let our ancestors be woken up. Amen. Please, if you are watching, make sure you share. Let's quickly look at the three kinds of people who say trust the science. I will call them the big heads. The three kinds of people that will tell you trust the science. They don't tell you trust the science. Now, how was our father able to live on this earth before? That they make wealth. Our father live on this earth and they make wealth without science. Without the education from the West. I'm going to be mixing it together. Those that when we were primary school, during the time of arithmetic, before this very janja with maths came out, my father let Mr. Andrew Minigu you to criticize it. He criticized this maths you are seeing today. My father, true to God, he saw it. Because what he believed on was this arithmetic. 1 minus you count stone. For those of you that use it, I was the one that used it late. I used it late in my I did not go to KG1, so I'm not your mate. I didn't know what concern me concern KG. Now so will take go admission. If your hand reach your ear, you will be admitted immediately. If your hand not touch your ear, you will not be admitted to primary 1. We use it to take right. We were the one that was using Silate to drive car, ruler. Then we were faking it. Until today, we cannot fake it. We were faking it then. We were faking it, but today, we cannot fake it. Now, let's go to the topic in proper. Now, in arithmetic, they'll say, count 5 stones. You count 5 stones. Maybe you have about 20 stones for your mass. Depends on your class. You go and pick all this granite. I want to carry most of us back so that you can be able to trace back your step where you have missed it where you have missed it. And that is the same method that your ancestors give to you that you will use to achieve your life. But we missed it. Now you have about 50 stones you do take to school. All this granite, you choose the most beautiful one. At times, a lot of people will choose the one of chocolate. The one you use, no, the one of that have what they call this thing, pancake. We grind it as pancake, though the one we are doing a mababa. We grind it as pancake. Either you are going to choose that type, or you choose the brownish one. I mean the gravel. There are people that also want to use granite. Depends on the level of your understanding towards it. So what we do, we have about 20 or 40. Depends on what and what you want to minus. They will give you arithmetic. 2 times 2 plus 3. Then you will count 2 stones, go one side. Even the reader we use then, that's how they do it. You see stone, 3 go one side, 2 go one side. Count all these things, you're going to say 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Then count all together. You say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You get the 5, you put the answer there. They later brought maths. They told you to start looking for S. That's how we find ourselves in Europe today. That is why today all our engineers, we have civil engineers, they cannot tie road because they are no co-head. They don't go there to go and read. They just find their way in. Please invite your, let them come and watch where we have missed it. That was when we kill ourselves. It's from the UK. The UK. They brought the same Jesus and brought this same man. I think it was even early 98. They now add further mathematics to it. To just make you read and read God man. That's why people that read that know book very well, they don't have sense of belonging. Go and watch them. They are not very creative. The people that can solve physics under 2 days, they don't know how to fix bulb. Somebody will read a letter that engineering. He don't know how to connect lights. You that did not go to school know something more than that. That's why we are in this mess today. Do you know how they cover up? I'm a graduate. And you will also be looking them like graduate. No know that you are the one that is graduated the brain. Most of them, they are knucklehead. They are perfect education. They don't know anything. That's why today they can't do anything. Let any BSc or HOD come out. I will knock him down in all areas of academics. I'm not going to, I will not, don't give me math to go and start looking for why. Give me some certain difficult equation in life. And let me see how I will solve it for you. Algebraic equation can be used in any form. Simultaneous equation can be used. You doing something simultaneously. But for me, I use almighty formula. That's why I can go to river and lay course on you. Whatever thing that's available. So far, the babak up. This is where we find ourselves. Then let's take the 3 kinds of people who say trust the science. The big heads. The big head live in fear. This big head, they live in fear. And are constantly scared and obey any given authority. They are very scared and they obey any given authority. The people that say trust the science, you see them in this very scenario of this injection. They are very afraid. All those are the big head. We call them the big head. Big head live in fear. They are constantly scared, constantly very scared, and obey any given authority. They will do whatever it takes to protect themselves from any invisible killer. Their house is full of toilet roll. The big heads. They will do whatever thing it takes. That's why right now, today, they are still taking injection. They don't question any authority. They don't question no. Because of 2 months of education. I read it now. That's what they do. And today we have them in our society. Then we are going to Rochester. Let's also look at the watchers. Also, there are 3 types of people. Those who make things happen. Those who watch what happened. And those who wonder what happened. Most of the time, everything is 3-3. There are people that make it happen. Una de canon. Why there are people who watch things happen. They are just folding their hands. They want to watch things happen. There are people who also wonder what happened. Who are you today? Are you a big head? The 3 types of people who believe, who will tell you, trust science. They don't have the brain to think on their own. All they don't know, yes, big gate of hell, I've said it in your way. They don't question any authority. These are the obedient slaves. All these are the really full, sophisticated morons. These are the people that bastardize our society today. And they feel they are red. Let the watchers, point number 2, the watchers. They spend about 9 to 10 hours daily in the front of the television. They depend on whatever thing they hear from the television. It's what navigate them. Their navigating system is from television. That's why even when you tell them this is lie, so far you have heard it from television. You have personally programmed his mind. They spend about 9 to 10 hours a day in front of their television, watching the mainstream media news. The TV literally is their sign. The TV is their sign. Whatever thing they hear in the TV is what they have diagnosed. The TV literally is their science. And they slowly poison themselves and kill themselves because of GMO bullshit. They slowly kill themselves gradually. It will be eating them. Today we hear from BBC, it go take them. Tomorrow we hear from CNN, it will take it. Even the man that was supposed to be your savior, you will not hate him because of the watchers. They are always there to watch. Whatever thing they watch is what they watch. That's why DOS today of the Janja with some stupid DOS. They believe that what they read is what matter. The main thing on ground that would have even helped the situation, they cancel it. All those are the watchers. They are also the big head. Then let's quickly look at the third one, the three kind of people who say trust the science. Let's look at the local drug dealers. These are the local drug dealers are not taught how to treat the cause, rather how to treat the symptoms. The local drug dealers, they are not taught how to treat the cause of the sickness. They are not taught. They are only taught how to treat what? The symptoms. By pardoning human drugs. They pardon human made drugs. Let's apply this one now. It will kill the symptoms. They are not taught how to treat the main thing. That's why today, after all the things that is going through, we are going through today, you still go to the doctor. The doctor will tell you that they can never tell you the truth. Because they themselves, they don't have anything here. Whatever thing you tell them is what they do. All these are people actually have good intention. They actually have good intention. But they are being indoctrinated. They are being indoctrinated. That there's something they are programming into their system. There's so much trust whatever the doctor says. That's why we that know God, we that are believers, we are not just Christians, but we are believers of our ancestors and of the kingdom. We are believers of it. We know that God can perform miracles. The only person that can heal every incurable disease is God. That's why Jesus Christ was never a doctor, but he never lose any patient. The best surgeon in the whole world still remains our Lord, God Almighty. He never lose patient. If you are being admitted in his own word, you will come a miracle. That was why he said, all my women, they shall deliver like an Hebrew woman. Instead of the faith pastor to might have tell us the main truth, they want to restrict us from doing what we are ought to do. They'll come for money. If you want God to bless you, 50 euro come out. They have been detonated. And they are taught the first paradigm of the disease. Their livelihood depends on the first pandemonium, so that they will do anything to defend and protect it. They will do anything to make sure that you believe in this same fake narrative. Because why? They have been detonated. Others are the local drug dealers. They have good intentions, but because they have been detonated, they have no option that to support the science. These are the three kind of people that say trust the science. The big heads, the watcher, and the local drug dealers. Now, there are also three kinds of people. You know, there are different between when you say three types of people and three kinds of people. Those who create things, those who maintain things, and those who destroy them. There are also three kinds of people in this world. Those who create things, those who maintain it, and those who destroy it. What category do you belong to today? Are you the big heads who live in fear, who are constantly scared and obey every given authority? Are you that type? You don't question any authority. So far now, Dr. Tokan. So far now, Dr. Tokan, you still trust the science. Today, our tradition have nothing doing in your lives. Check your father's skins those days. After eating inyabo figmo, nyam and oye, the remnant, you go use and take rub body, you see your past skin, you go the glitter. But today, you have used cream to change some of the layers of your skin. What are you looking for? You are trying to be like Oibo. So education we are brought to destroy you and to put you into slavery, so that you can no longer know yourself again. That's why I see take about the real midwife today. Our mother those days. If you are pregnant by your eye, we tell you whether it's male or female. Our mother, though, they don't have the real midwife. Not the one you put a mask in your eye. Everything will be programmed in the computer. Just for you to look at it, they teach you in school. When you put it like this, you close one of your eyes, it is red. Know that the pregnancy is maturing. When it is blue, know that the pregnancy has fought. They were programmed. But your own mother will fill your stomach. We feel it from the lower abdomen and tell you, say, my son, you are pregnant. This 4 months pregnancy. But microscope, they brought it. That's why they take away the sheen and shine away from our lives. In order to take what have been able to help us in our society, they took everything away. So education, you that said that you are educated today, you are still also moron. You are not educated. A man that is educated knows very well when he's being oppressed. If you are really educated, how come today that you don't still know when you are insulted? If you are really educated, how come today another person is in prison and you don't even have the brain to think that this person is fighting for himself? Is he in prison because he's a cultist? Is he in prison because he's a freedom fighter? Is he in prison because he beat his father's wife? Or is he in prison because of me? But the Jesus Christ that you did not even see what he did, the same Oibo that brought education, they write it down. Because a man that had the education, I go to read. Our father, they will not have it time. They have their own principle. Galatians 6 verse 7. It was our father that taught us that. For the people that learned those things from their father, they are the real believers we have today. And church does not change anybody. People just go to church to go and clothe themselves with that name of church so that you can better do deal with them, hoping that this one is a pastor. No, that you are far better. Christianity have not changed anybody in Nigeria. People you see today, you still see some pastor going to ritualism. Naturally, is a ritualist. Nothing changes anybody. What they do, instead of them to be playing local league, they now have money to start paying for hotels. That's what they do. They no longer go to the same bar you go to. They now order home delivery. Anything, come and give me my house. Because they can afford it. That's what they do. Who tell you say church they change anybody? Church have not changed anybody. Would be people have seen. Criminal is always a criminal. The people that lay God a genuine change are the people that when they stop doing something, they just find out that this is not good. They repented, not because of Christian. Somebody tell you say, in a when I never know God. Now lie, you don't still know God. You just want to change because of the danger in what you are doing, not because you know God. A lot of people today, they stop doing bad because they finally know that they've seen their friend who have gotten a very big reward of what they did to other people. That's why Revelation 22 verse 12, he said, behold, I come quickly with a gift in my hand to give to everyone according to his works. People like us have changed a lot of people through the message that we give. Imagine today's message some hours ago. I told you the book of Matthew 27. Verse 5, that Judas Iscariot killed himself. So soever that might have sold people who sold under the canon, you must be ready to die. Because God will definitely give you the mind to go and kill yourself. Because you sold an innocent person. That's what making people to repent. Because of the danger that you tell them is what they are doing. People don't just carry repent. That's what you don't know. Then you tell some people at times God will judge you. No, at times you give them the judgment. Then God will empower the judgment. Lay curse on them. Lay it on their children and their generation if they refuse to repent. Particularly a quest for a better society. So Christianity have not done anything in our society. Rather than he have destroyed. Who fired that Christianity to our system? See the white. See the West. Who gave all this false education? That know somebody today graduated from Ekboma or University of Benin. Kantai Road. We don't still have civil engineer association today in Nigeria. Since 1960, we have been producing graduates. How is it that we cannot still feast our society as we still depends on the Chinese and the Indians and the Pakistans? And these are the people we use them here as service. The Obama where you go to carry umbrella for Jan here in our service. We use them to work here. But they will come abroad. The security, they have never one day given to your father. You see them respecting. Now, why do we have those courses in the school? Because it's a scam. That's why it's not yielding results. The same way education is a scam, the same way this Christianity is also a scam. That's why you are putting a lot of people into position, hoping that you go to school. Maybe not the way the DOS were selected. They were selected due to their perfect education. I graduated from Oxford University. I was AAU chairman in 1940. I later went to Osuka. But on Olareuna that have brain, his wisdom, inclination is 1,000,000% over 100. They will not select him. That's why you see some people right now. The best way they can win your heart, that they see day, you go put for a profile. University of Benin. And this person cannot hold English for one minute. They cannot even approach anybody with English. Because they know that it's a scam. They know what they went to go and do there that is not real. I showed you a picture the other day. The best art and design student that went to school cannot even do it. If I can do this on my own, look at the Bible now. Philippians 4 verse 13. He said, I can do all things through him who threateneth me. Who is that person? God. That's how it's supposed to be. Not be human being, not God. There are people today, the best hairstyle, whether hair design, how they call it, I'll be hairdresser. There are people that didn't learn it. There are people that did not learn it. Ask anybody. The people doing well today as a hairdresser, they didn't learn it. I have people in my area those days. They never attended. They only just go there once. When they see you do anything, they will do the hairstyle. Mother. The people that spend 10 years there, they can't still do anything. They are opportunity that they have money and they open a mega shop. Because while Philippians 3 verse 13, he have already made it clear. He said, I can do all things through him. Who is he? God that strengthens you because he dwells in you. Because you are God on earth. Be that there is nothing God cannot do. There is nothing you are not supposed to be able to do. How come today you are stagnant? How come today you cannot fight for your freedom for yourself? You are waiting for the West. And these are the same West who have come to come and kill you, destroy you, take away your ancestors. They are not the one that exiled the Edo, some Edo people ancestors. They exiled them. But today they are still doing slave under them. But they are killing their own children. Humiliating their own children. Maybe after today we will love me more or we will hate me more. Me, I don't care. We have to tell ourselves the truth. So as education has failed in our society, a lot of things is not going on. As somebody that go to school, you are supposed to be thinking upright. That's why the best professor today is still your parents. What your parents, you can learn from your parents. Still, you cannot learn it from Wole Soyinka. That was why Proverbs 22 verse 6. He said, train up a child the way he should grow. When it is old, it will not depart from it. You can give moral lesson to your children. If you want your children not to be gossiper, you have to teach them inside the house, not in the, because in the school, they teach them what the government want them to know. What the government want to use them for is what they teach them. That's why, because we are living in a very wayward society, they begin to tell your children how not to value human lives. That's why they teach your children in school. So if you want your children to have passion for you and love you as a mother, sit them down at times. There's nothing like a mother. As a father, even though your children is insulting you, tell them to always respect their mother. Because through them respecting their own mother, if you are the one that instigates you, want them to respect you alone, they should be insulting their father. My dear, tomorrow you will lose it all. If I thought they are not respecting you, always use their own father as a fear to them. You as a mother, use their own father or their own mother as a fear to them. Let your mommy come, I will report you today. Let the fear go to one side so that when they are beating you tomorrow, they will also look at their mother and say, Mama, the respect I have for you, I would have done daddy this. That's why today, black race, we are not misbehaving anyhow. We are raising up our children here, and there is no culture here. Oibo man, the children will be watching, but they will have benevolent man to tell their father, shut up your man, kayate papa. Because to them does not mean anything. But to you, it means something. So education we are brought, they teach you what they want you to know. That's why if you are watching television, what they want you to know is what they tell you. not what you need. They taught what they want you to know. Imagine a doctor want to start killing people. They will teach you the best way right now to do operation. When you want to operate any patient, block his nose. Oh. Now, how was our mother feeding us those days? Your own mother. There are mosquito valerian. Your own mother, how was they feeding you? They will block your nose and put a cabo your mouth. Do you know why? They want you to swallow it one. They don't get time to waste. Now they take cocoa you. You that is now do fixing eyelashes. You are fooling yourself. How you were away like say they want to commit more dark case. That was how you were fed. But today you are very healthy. Today already we work back. But look at your children today. Are they creative like you? Because the new education now, because you didn't learn from this same Janjaweed. Most of all, we couldn't look for S or 2B. I abandoned the 2B. I began to search out the real order of life. And I was able to get it. That's why today my brain is correct. You know, guy won't be. Now when we bedoku, and when we bedoku, sense not the escape beneath man or a man. Why did our father said it? Did your father solve for that mathematics? How come back today some of the word your father using advising you is what you are still using and is working for you? Which one have you been able to invent from this your big head? Which one have been able, you have not been able to invent anything? What our forefather could use their own hand to do, the artifact that some idiots are celebrating today, can they mold anything? Can they even mismate? But your father have the brain. Because they were not polluted by the Janja with UK, whatever. That time it was arithmetic. Count 5 stones. VAR everywhere. That's minus. That's minus. You have 20 stones. Maybe 1 to 10. You want to first of all solve this thing. 5 plus 2 minus 4 plus 2. Then you can't count the stone for grand. First remove 4. Put 5, Jonah. That was how we solve our mathematics in ABC. But this time around, everything is calculator. That's why some of these children, they are knucklehead. That's why you see a lot of people today. They use a temporary solution to begin to solve a permanent problem. Because they are brainless. All these are the big heads. They live in fear and they are constantly scared and obey every given authority. They can never question any authority. Because they are animals. People don't know. That's why if you are a mother and you agree that your child knows something more than you, there's something wrong with your head. If you are a good mother, you should be able to language, you know. Now, if you hurry wrestle and then sudden for now, the girl they waka, who break her mind, we understand. But my child now, because they speak Oyibo, it's a language. Let him come and learn Benin. That's all me. A lot of people today, they fall into the trap of their children. You know now, my children, it can only be richer than you. If you know what you are doing, you are more sensible. You are more knowledgeable. Because traveling is a part of education. There is things you have seen. Sit down your children, begin to relate things to them. You can best explain, not the one your daughter read in school. This one happens to you, my dear, my son. That Matthew 10 verse 36, it is true. They did it to Jesus. Una the count brother did it to Una the count. My son, could that break your mind? Or should I break this into you? My own blood brother wanted to kill me one day, poison me. My son, believe me. The way that your brother is always doing, I don't like it. What made Cain to succeed Abel? In the book of Genesis chapter 4, after they made a sacrifice or offering to God, God told Cain in the presence of Abel, Abel, Cain, I saw your countenance falling. Is it because I received your brother's offering or sacrifice? Is that why you are angry? And they see and say, oh, that is oh boy, yeah, that is you want to kill somebody. Abel look at it. He had it. Instead of him to run away from his brother where he refused to learn. The major problem you have today in Europe is called by you. No way. They will sell you out to your community, but you will not understand. That's why you are where you are today. It is caused by the members of your family. We lack sense. That's our problem. This word kill Abel. But God never stopped him from killing Abel. You have done well, but if I thought God loves you, still put a proactive measure on ground on how you are going to move. You cannot come here right now and let me take you out. I won't follow no matter how best friend you may be. You are the ball when me go where you be me. When wherever you be no eti swim me. Eri me be legbe me be ye a ball. When wanyoni me be what you whether we are poison anyoni. Where is surprise me na basanyo aya here. Me ire me gi wanyoni zewu menwa. Because this struggle I am today, they can bribe anybody to bring you teeth down. That's why I'm careful. Because you don't know. What did Abel did? You know, it's my brother now. It was an adult person now. The Lord making use that parables. Even when God said it in his presence, again, I see you, your countenance is falling. Why are you annoyed? If you have done well, I would have also accepted your gift or your offering. The next day, came and called his brother Abel. Ona wa 2 months wamu. O wa ge ebe wa winner. Ona wa whole next zedi. What God could only do is to cause Cain for his atrocity, but Abel died mysteriously. Don't watch. You don't know why. I'm very spiritually very sensitive. You can't get me. Set the trap. Or don't very Tom and Jerry Denfi. Ya imiwa eti amoboyo igwale video yo. Don't for. Women, if you were women, you are a bastard. I'm a biose. Look at the book of Ephesians chapter 6 verse 10. He said, finally, brethren, be strong in the Lord and in the power of his might. Be strong in the Lord and in the power of his might. That is through which you can be able to go through all this mess that we find ourselves today. Education is not education. You just see a friend who is a graduate who are reporting because not today they heard. At times I'll be wondering, why is people looking at this issue? Why are they not looking at it critically? They don't look at it from the surface. Have you ever seen me one day? I use school to boast here. I bought from the wisdom from above. I know I'm blessed. I do tell people, me the row enter the next class. I was never interested in your further mathematics. I would ask anybody. I was never interested. It does not mean that I'm not academically balanced. The best way I know I'm academically balanced is the way I can be able to differentiate between them. That's why a lot of people will always say, like that thing speaks more than any other thing. So do not use your ECMO man or a Kiadolo. Don't let any judge you to intimidate you. What is coming out from his head is what matters. It's not all about Kiadolo. Because that what you read in a Kiadolo does not work here in Europe. How many times, for most of you that have counted thousands of euros, have you ever one day see S inside the money? Have you ever one day be counting money and you are looking for S now? Let's be frank and sincere. How many times have you ever been cutting somebody? Not be sentimental and they do. You were one, even you have watched somebody auxiliary nurse, how you can even go there 2 months. Men have a turning for 5 days. He may be on the next day. He may be deliver. Because do you know what? Philippians 4 verse 13 is there. I can do all things. And all these same foolish daughters now, who is deceiving us, are red and we're red. They are not even the one manufacturing the chemical. The people that manufacture the chemical, they are trained to manufacture it. Pitco, put this graphene oxide, mix it to carbon 4 oxide, mix it to nyenyewu oxide, mix it to fianwu oxide, put it together, largely to inject these people. That's what they teach your children. They teach your children how to kill. They don't teach them how to save lives. That's why today this thing that is coming out, the same daughter that all these are the local drug dealers, who they carry it to, they still defend it because they are being detonated. You don't know. It was my daughter said that he had no risk. You believe your daughter. You believe on your daughter. My daughter does not know me. I don't know him. If you show my daughter to 18 years now, I don't know him. Oh, I don't know him because I'm not interested to know him. He can become an enemy tomorrow. That's why if you don't have fatter that sick right now, they happen to rush you to the hospital, they may inject you with graphene oxide. Why do you think people are misbehaving today? Food is also weaponized. The same way they weaponize Christianity. Imagine they always encourage your leader. They told them to start asking money from you. If you want God to bless you, 50 euro come out. If God did money, not call America. Okay, well, look at how they were convincing you now. Or Mosul. Graduates. Tomorrow everybody want to become a pastor. Nobody want to come and become an activist. Stop being a pastor now. Let God call you into activism. Nobody they answer that call. And that is the major call God will be calling all these animals. Nobody they pick that can call. Hello, I'm God. I'm going to call you into activism. No, sir. I'm a pastor, evangelist. This is the work of evangelism. And so all evangelists are supposed to be. If you were to live in a better society. Or today all of them want to be a pastor. They want to profess into you. The respect you are not giving to your husband at home, you are giving to one idiotic pastor. Because he can read the Bible. And no anointing, no. You also tell you something, consult native doctor in your name. Why not you go to the native doctor direct so that you make the vow by yourself? They will make an deity in your name. Please, sir, do this thing for him. He can use anything to pay. That's why most of you today, you are suffering from one or the other. Because someone make a very critical covenant in your name. But if you were to be the one that consulted the oracle, you would have known the extent you will go. But they can do anything for you. Because I know him. He can always now me know my people, they go by. That's what they do now. Am I lying? Look at Ephesians chapter 1 verse 19. He said, I also pray that you will understand the incredible greatness of God's power for us who believe in him. This is the same mighty power. If you believe in God, there is incredible greatness. You are supposed to know that is in you. That's why today I can do all things. Am I be money? That's why I can lay curse on anybody. He will take me fiawu. And I'll get fiawu ne. Emi me defwa. When I hear motion ya way walking, go and respect all these idiots. I will never respect my oppressor. I will never respect any person who want to eradicate humanity. That we when I woo. When I we have a woo. When I get him a woo, we have a woo. Who will do fear way any? Okay, wait till they life. Look at everything they brought to black race was not for your favor. Everything they ever brought to you was not for your favor. Have I wondered why they call you that? I'm a sincere person. They did not force me to come and receive money for COVID-19. Why are they forcing me to come and take injection for example? But you will not sound like that because you are not educated. You feel it's bad to get it. Can you defend even the certificate? Come and do practical in what we are taught in school. None of them can do practical. Let me just go there and you know. At the end of the day, we that are roadside, we are still the one facing up the economy. What I can do here, no engineer graduated from AAU can do it. What I can use my head to do, no engineer can do it still. Why is it like that? And they said they read. Because why is it scam? The time you would have concentrated on doing practicals, teaching yourself something. They'll begin to, you know, at the time you finish school right now, maybe your professor will be telling you what communion are alive with darkness. You are not supposed to be in the midst of these people. Don't you know you are more than them? That's why those here, now we even make conduct of our areas, get friends. All those stupid people that went to College of No Education, they were ready. Today, they cannot do anything with their head. There are so many things that will be happening with my car right now. I will do it myself. My mechanic told me one day, say Newton, so please this car, could die. You already dismantle car, but you can do it now. I say no. I want to give you to that. You can also eat from it. I don't want to know how to do everything. Not that I cannot change the oil in my car, but I just want you to take the money. So that I'll be very trust that not be me doing and you doing when something wrong. That is it. But what can you do today? Some people cannot even change the head of their battery. They can't change the head of their battery. They can't. Even when they were in Nigeria, they cannot farm. They cannot plant. They cannot even set trap. We derive a method on when I have Bekuomo. Mama wak Bekuomo. I me wak Bekuomo I waton. I yari gavan. Most of you were lacking vitamin. You were lacking protein because you cannot go to the bush and dig rabbit. Everything's your father. May your power head kill you there. Because you were soldiers. That's what is affecting you today. Even in Europe here, you don't still know yourself because your father and your mother are no longer there. Because you believe I'm a graduate. Graduate who? Where you for graduate? University of Idiocy. Sophisticated morons everywhere. Until we discolonize our mind from this same issue of West, we go nowhere. Until we are able to discolonize our mind from this Western, we go nowhere. That's why you are Afrocentric, you are not Eurocentric. No matter how it takes, the imprisonment of my people still concerns me. Even when I'm even given 10 passports here. Your culture is far better than steal. Somebody giving you a means of identification. You not feel now you are Alpha and Omega. But if your country were to be good, can the Italian man come and be celebrating a passport here in Spain? Is that not stupidity? Can somebody from Norway, Denmark, Germany, a citizen, come here and be celebrating resident here and be giving Spanish passport? They don't even know when you expire. Because you does not go to school, that's why you overvalue. It's a means of identification. Nothing more. If it's not a means of identification, it's not the canon. By passport, you know, you're a British citizen. What better is that Britain done? Because the Britain, they want us to die in suffering. And Osalobwa, okay, go and tell them that I know you are a sabo. Go and I want to be arrested. Una don't fair come now. You should know yourself. Una don't fair come. Or till the day where I go, you bloat pluck one police state. That will stop una nonsense that day. They don't they threaten man we ready to die. Now you value life because they waited they life. When the burden of your people does not concern you, and be graduate who? Where you for graduate? Where is me there? Are you the one prescribing drugs for me? We grow up and met our father. Agbo. A bedogo yaro. Or when we are looking with fever, why was he look more here? Why who say no? I want to hear here. Why all sickness gone right now? The scientists they are going to the lab in your name just to destroy you. Why are we not having medicine today for cancer? Why? Why are we not having medicine for cancer? Why was HIV or HIV created? It were created to kill you. Human being is very strong. A lot of you will be saying that why they want to kill or they why they not poison coke. You are an idiot. The coke that they drank in Nigeria is manufactured in Nigeria. Now they're there for the mission. Who tell you they import coke to Nigeria? You be real. If they want your poison in Africa, they for the, if they come poison coke, everybody's drinking. Don't you know they will lose money? People don't think. All these are people that feel that they are educated. You are only educated in barrel. You are not educated in your brain. You can better comment and post it. But when it comes to putting things together and left fix our society, why is your education not carrying you having the sense of belonging to fix up your society? Why did you today you don't know that you are being oppressed? Why are you not knowing today that you are oppressed? So you have to definitely differentiate who you are today. That's why Ephesians chapter 3 verse 7, he said, I become a servant of the gospel by the gift of God. Grace given to me through the working of his power. That's who I am. I do everything I do today, not because I was academically imbalanced as anybody. I couldn't look for 2S. But today, I can look for them in another form. It's in millions. I do dare you, come and debate me. Professor Etienne Lumumba, Patrick Lumumba, he does not speak Queen's English. He's speaking right now the way I speak it, but go and listen to that man. He is the one that brought about discolonization of the mind. Why my father brought about hygiene. I learned that word from my father. I know he have also used it several times. We need hygiene. If this hygiene will come, we need traditional hygiene. We need Pentecostal hygiene. We need the political hygiene. We need it all. And you yourself, you also need hygiene in your life. How will this hygiene come? Without you waking up from your slumber. So education we are brought to destroy you and to put you into slave. That's why whatever it is. Imagine now, can you work in 3 months? Just do 3 months whatever program and work in the hospital in Nigeria. They will allow you to start giving mercy to mad people. Where does it happen? But they give you opportunities here because they believe in practicals. There are people that manufacture the drugs. You are not the one. Your own is only go to children, you can hear. They will show you doing this. Like this is just a bit. A mechanic can even vaccinate person. A mechanic, a wayward mechanic. So people will carry the just with that care. They're not till you load them, man. My work and your own, which one is more critical? Not when they break injection for person body, may God punish you now there. They are the form buzzy. How come you does not know about what is happening? How come it is me that is not even your feet who know that there is graphene outside in what they are giving to you? You couldn't research about it because why? You are big head. Because why? You are the watcher. Because why? You are a local drug dealer. They don't care. Whatever thing you get to them, they metamorphosis. You are just like a womb. Whatever thing that come, who was generated, whether or not best I don't know, you must have to incubate it. Incubator machine. I see that I'm a graduate who? Graduate idiot. What did you know? Don't let anybody talk you down. There are people today, they cannot even write their name, but allow them to speak with man. You see wisdom and understanding. Why they say people that went to the stupid university, they can't even write their name. That's why some idiotic guys here. My boyfriend is well, the better boyfriend the way graduating on a God will punish you when he's not graduating his head. A Paevis is here right now. Or marital there in school, but a man you need to see when he writes. Most of these memory people are seeing social media. That's why I rate him as one of the best freedom fighters in Edo State, despite does not have a social media platform. What are you using your own for? To come and be insulting other people. Look at Edo now. We have a lot of graduates. Why are you today? Foreigners eat our roads. The food we eat made by foreign from abroad. We cannot still produce our own food. Only Gary that we can even produce benevolently. They drove your mother, your father, your uncle, your brother, your sister away from the farm. The same governor you are clamoring for. Oshobola is the best governor. They don't even know themselves. How are you going to leave this mess? Because why they feel they are educated. I help lawyer here abroad to fight case. You see me call the other day. Now me they tell lawyer give me a case now here. Because my father said in one of his quotes, he said a fool make a lawyer to be rich, which is true. If you are foolish, lawyer will eat money on your detriment because you don't even know. As somebody that have the case, if you are sensible enough, you are supposed to know where your case is going. If you tell me you have a case, I know how it's going to end. I will tell the lawyer, look at what and what we have to put together. All cases I've handled for people. If I'm lying, God will bear me witness tonight. I don't lie. I'm the one that always masterminding it. The reason why the lawyers at the front, that have the license to write a recusal. Even you can even write a recusal in your name, post it to their whatever, submit it. You can write a recusal in your name. People don't. You can write a plea by yourself. And most of these recusal, the lawyers here, bro, they get it from the internet. Just to put your name and change one or two sentences about your situations. The one they wrote before in the internet, maybe Boko Haram. They can go put maybe idiotic mumu na be the name way for day. Maybe they want to put Akpabron away. Just to change that Akpabron away, then look at their date of birth, they change them, maybe not the same situation. They'll just send them immediately. Copy and paste. But we work with our heads. We work with our heads. If education will really be helping us, why is our society like this the way it is today? Why is nothing working? Even the Bible we have read, if we have read it well, what does God talk? What does Jesus Christ talk about leadership? What did he talk about shepherd? How does a shepherd supposed to look like? Is a shepherd supposed to say, "Ogbo mi, ogbo mi"? Because you are a fool. You go through school, school never go through you. That's why they still worship their oppressor. Because they don't have brain. But with our brain, we know that this thing is criminality. Is not supposed to be known. I think everybody done the turn to again in now. Ke blogger no win a video in because they call most of these bloggers. They call them with video net. Some of them manage near the suspect by once in a while. They call them. But I don't want to even mention it here. Almost also work. But let any idiot name me. I will name him and his generation. I will so humiliate you here from my bro. Damn worry. I'm a what bear you I will boom whereby. Because I'm not being detonated by those your stupid whatever. A tradition was also manipulated. Everything has been detonated. Just because of you. Now you want if you go to farm. Now you want full and years may go kill for Binianchi. Now you want to go use your money to put light for your village. Now you want to get water from government. Now you want to get light. Now you want to get security. What about we sin, you can't sin. Tomorrow they'll tell you go and pray for forgiveness of sin. Are you among the people that killed Jesus? They will hokman were you. Even the people committed the crime, they will still put you in the fasting. The pastor that committed crime who make his own church to be scattered with members will go and put you into fasting. You need to pray for forgiveness. What have you done? Then where because you don't know what you are doing. Everything was weaponized. They begin to judge you to solve all manner of equations. All manner of equations. That is why in life there are so many preliminary something you just get it, just move on. Stop looking for 2 why. Roadside mechanic today, they are the best mechanic. Not even the one. If you want to read the book, go and be manufacturing car. Don't tell me our engineer home don't know the difference between positive and negative. We have it in our family. He can't change the bulb. He's a letter engineer. He will not have a letter engineer. We have it. It's true life story. No, I don't need to lie. Because they are just there just because of the name. They read big books. You the see book or a 12 inches book. At the end of the day, go and look at Obama. What the English that he speaks, where does he put Edo State? The English that he speaks, where does he put Edo State today? He put Edo State in coma. The English could do even better. It's like now. A state of agua plana. I always speak some English here just to make you excited. No make it here when man have a vast ingality. The kind of books we read is different from all these one people are reading. I put some certain English in within. I have my own English today. Do you know what called a state of Inyenyewu? A lot of you that have been wearing a state of Inyenyewu. Condition can put you there. I have my own English today. I use to conglomerate my followers. Every meaning no ye. They will be speaking it in a quiz English. What have come out from inside? But they couldn't defend. They did not graphing outside. How comes about I know what they don't know? Because we are like they washing clothes. Dove no fit no one. But if the grace of God is upon your life, nothing you cannot do. That is why Philippians 4 verse 13, he said, I, New can do all things through him that strengthens me. Just believe on yourself. Stop believing yourself. We have those days in our areas. America timaga America calculator. Any seven query a tepari ake but Italy, Europe, and they have a few. A boy told me, we go near Love, Dr. Mawas and my Lue for 1 month. Why? Because in the detriment of our own sister, Italy, or good, he might be watching now. Mezo rebound. He uses that mockery. But today, he's still rigmaroling. And one of them died. One of them died. I'm not happy he died anyway. Do you know where we are coming from? Now, person use and love me say I cleared on the bound. I never even knew. At that time, 100 naira is money. It's like 100,000 of today. And it does not even have power to work. He used to love me say, may not be on the bound. If we have a new do we no, work here. Then I now went back. Oh, no, 100 boundary. I never, but today I move on. But there is decision today. Has anybody ever mock at you trying to make up something for yourself? If nobody mock you, go nowhere. Today I'm using it as a testimony. But the most important thing that I'm no longer where I used to be. Not that the family were not okay. I just want to make myself okay. So that it's a matter to our day. Make day yo. Why other people cannot do job? They come back because me. Make job I do whatever thing. The best dressed youth in my area. I was one of them. Me with my friend that time. We must go for it to go Volora and come. Before I traveled abroad, early 90s, I bought one shoe, Mr. Allen, as at 90s. Calculator amount is 5,000. Job a yard, Mr. Allen. If that shoe, if you were to still be alive today, Mr. Allen, when we are in Nigeria, you know manner of shoes. I do job to buy it. Okay. Why was I doing? Not that the family. I just want to be dependent. I want to be independent. Sorry. There are a lot of things I don't want to ask the parents. I don't want to ask my family. They do calculation for you. Because we know what the repercussion maybe no. I do job to do my things. One day. Why bully me with the ear for 1 week and I'll be more fresher. There are where we do our sanctions. We will sanction for fun because of Obama. I will do my me when he would do me a day. Because you have not treated me well. Moses doesn't know they are me for one more sorry. But now you women, I will rebel. So you don't take away start. If I can do that one to my parents, you know, you have good mind. Because Obama me. While any man go now, I saw the way the house will be turned aside because my man I made some does were you like that to your family? You were not like that because we are not relevant. You believe on education. Your education right now, today you are still useless. You are graduate. May God punish you there. Use your hand now, you can't use your hand. Learn what that time you couldn't learn. Learn what that time you couldn't learn. You know, we are doing Meneske. Hello, I'm Ola Brokers. There are a lot of things we are supposed to be doing, we are not doing them. Why am I giving all this analogy? For you to know that I don't take. So if you see me wear shirt today, get name, my dear, it have long ago. It have long ago we started all this struggle. I was never a liability. Today, a lot of people, they are liabilities still to their family. Liability. They cannot do anything for themselves. The God Almighty help us in Jesus' name. The book of Colossians 1:29. He said, for this purpose, I also labor, striving according to the power which work mighty within me. I also labor for this purpose. I also labor, striving according to the power which worketh mighty within me. So when the power of God is with you, every other thing will give way. A lot of you are surprised. I did the second program for the day. I told you people before, I can get social media with different topics. A baby woman. Why? Because it's organic. What I'm saying, I don't come here to come and gossip anybody. People are too small for me to gossip. I cannot even gossip Nigerian government. They are too small. Who be there? Because they are in position of oppressing their people. But the day is going to come, they are going to report themselves. That's why today you are not seeing education, effectiveness of education in our society. You are not seeing Christianity effectiveness in our society. You are not seeing the traditional ruling council, the effectiveness in our society. Everything is Jabaru, all in your head. But you whether they do until now, you are happy. Imagine right now, if you are not ready to succumb, if you criticize what is happening in the door, you are working with you. That's what they do. If you are an activist, talk about it as an activist, they will label you. And who supported you? You, the same person, once first support them. It's coming for all of you. All of you is going to bear the same name. People like us going to be exempted. If you try, you kill yourself in a hurry. The government of Spain know that I'm an activist. They know that I'm not liberator. I'm not luchador or liberator. They know I'm a freedom fighter. They know I'm a patriot, a patriota. They know I'm an activist. They know it's in their record. They know very well. Who do they know you to be, Mumu? Who support all manner of shenanigans? You are supporting them. You see, we have graduates everywhere. All they do is to celebrate their children. How will somebody be doing birthday right now when the whole state is in a mess? Go to Nigeria, you cannot go. Think it's they are not even looking for me. They are looking for you. Anybody that look for me, you kill yourself. You get the work, but they will drive, follow me, with me, I go maneuver, I go park. Dogbera. He got one day. I parked and he parked to say, why you they follow me for? But wait, they say me you can't carry me. No, they had. If I'm under arrest, tell me you are under arrest. I told him from a glass. I parked. I know it was following me. Where the que pasa? Me está buscando? I asked him a question. He said what they asked. Now I said the way they follow me. You have other work to do now. You have already controlled the plate number. The plate number tells you I'm a criminal. You were looking at me, shame all on that day. That's how stubborn you think becomes. So this struggle, we don't give it damn. I will not respect your father. Being that your father used to put people into captivity, woe betide him. So have you been able to get the three kinds of people who say trust the science? You have the big heads, you have the watcher, and you have the local drug dealer. And there are also three kinds of people: those who create things, those who imitate things, and those who destroy it. Are you one of these people today? It's a question every one of us begin to ask ourselves in our day-to-day life. Are you one of these people? Are you the three type of people? Those who make things happen. Are you the one of the one who wants to see things happen, and those who wonder what happened? Tell me the one you belong. But you are supposed to be among the one, those who create things, or those who maintain it, or those who make things happen. What are you making to happen in your community today? Gossiping. The lesser gossiping. Oh, boy, I mean, oh, yepa, you might be end of a soon. Education. Everything we weaponize. What at S have to do with counting money? SS. Y is equal to 4. Look for 2A. Have you ever one day see S looking for money? You may count it as your bodies are just the truth. The normal arithmetic for Africans with the African is just arithmetic. 2 plus 3, 5. 1, 2, 3. Plus the 2, Joanna, Udoka, Owo, Eva, Eha, Ene, Isen, okay, Ogbana, with Monyoto. That was also normal money. That was how your mother they trade. They have assets today at Igbobahi. That was how they traded. They have assets today everywhere. Most of us, we don't bloody care. We don't bloody care. Your mother today have assets everywhere. How did you have fear? Why you feel go here? Why you fear get name here? Or ma rikmen sene, or ikmegbe, or devie vabigbe. Uni go hide ne. Uni go hide ne. Then o yele yo o ka vedo or ne. That's why our mother they never cheat them. They never cheat them one day. Or if they work now be man, ikmen se now be me o. U devien ikmonpa u de magi ikmonpa u dona ikmonpa all do calculator kugbe or calculator wo na or ya get everything anya. But you yourself, you don't see calculator now, you cannot calculate anything because you are an idiot. Most of you now, if you don't see calculator, you can't calculate anything. Those the one who come to Europe. Now this one will tell the right text message. But now you have this one now. Just one right congra. Just put congra. Relation with your by himself enter. Now this generation come dumb past very dumb set of people. They don't use their head for anything. They doesn't use their head for anything. You see them, I'm in school. But if you know where in school, let it come and tell you. You are sponsor of your brothers in school today. Why is it that you are still the one taking care of them? The load that you carry from your brothers and your sisters, none of them will ever bear that pain for you. Or finish in a work but he told you are finishing school because he does not even know the kind of work. He does not learn anything from the school. He only don't go through school. School don't go through him. That's why today is at home. How many person have you seen? We are seeing Rosa mechanic women. We are seeing Penebita. Those things are part of what they learn in school. Why are they not coming at a practical? That he finished from Ekpoma. He have his own shop right now in Benin County Road. Let's go and patronize him as a graduate from Ekpoma University or from Uniben. Why are we not having civil engineers today tying our roads? We still depend on the Taliban. We still depend people from Afghanistan to come and tie your road. What can you do for yourself? Your leader will still be sick. He will not allow you stupid doctor to treat him. He will go abroad. You feel that one is okay. You not use your president to learn how kidney president kidney they be. Now who you person who you want to learn? The Spanish doctor here, when their president are sick, they take care of them. Americans, their doctor take care of their president. Why is your own not allowing you to treat him? How is it doing you? That one not Aranoism or racism. You don't know you are worthless. You think, I go to school. I go to school. I have to imprison people. Why? You don't know the meaning of education you have acquired. Your education you have acquired is a weaponized system. They weaponize it. They bring the education to destroy you so that you can no longer study about your. Okay, who take away our history? Why did they take away our history? They want to start reading about the white. Why did they take away your history? Because they know that if you know your history, the very day you know your history, you'll be able to know who you are. That's why they take it away. They brought in education. They brought in Christianity. And now you carry and pass. Only before you see Oyibo killing themselves for education. Some of them can just go to diploma. Just go and learn plumbing for 6 months. Come out as a professional. With certificate can work in anywhere. You that went to go and read, spend money, huge money in the higher universities. The medicine your children are learning abroad, they are not going to teach them how to poison chemical, put graphene outside into vaccine and form ACE. That's what they do in Wuhan lab. They bring out sickness, they manufacture it and throw it into the air. That's why UK today, majority of them are sick, dementia, different kind of sickness. A 50 years old man, 60 years old, but your life can it go to be like that tomorrow because they blow something to the where they get it from? They get it from their academics. No, why we engineer, but they respect it, they fly play. There we work and can play. Even though man winning. As an African man, work and play. Everywhere I play. Do you think you are happy? Get play accident. That day you are gone. Am I say all the boy you fi moto? Iye ke mere afi. Iwa fi ke you do, you fear ke you do boiri. It does not make me that not civilized. Our father today are still more civilized. But what they kept down, you throw them away that they were not relevant. But the same land your father dragged down is what one idiot is selling today, but you couldn't say anything. Even when you know the law, you are a barrister, you are a nincompoop. You can't talk. Why you are a youth, are you and with contaminated water, then you are happy. Because they want to give you a idiotic set of people. So education have done help us. The same thing education have done, the same damage Christianity have done. What are you seeing people left today? Just tell social media. Somebody that educated, will you be bullying another person? How will you be? Your education is supposed to make you know that your leader is oppressing you because you read it from the book. An educated person, you should be able to know that this thing your leader is doing, he's not doing it well. But a lot of people, they are very happy. That's why they can even join their leader to make sure they give you all unnecessary humiliation you can ever talk about. So education were designed to destroy you and to enslave you. And that's what you are saying today. That's what you are saying today. Look at the humiliation they gave to our lawyers. Even worse, even Nigerian constitution. They are not even interpreting the constitution. They are treating you with what comes to their mind. Can the Bar Association tomorrow go on track and go on protest? What the need of you studying law? You are studying law, becoming a barrister in a lawless country. The same law now me and you that they use and fight. If me and you get problem and you take lawyer, go take one son, they imprison me. But the same law does not affect them. But in America, the same law that affects the president affects the common man in the street. But in Nigeria, there are people that are above the law. Look at it today now. Brufem, I've never one day be allowed to see Nnamdi Kanu. And he's international lawyer from international communities. But your education will not make you think now. And education is supposed to make you think fast. Hosea chapter 4 verse 6. He said, my people are destroyed for lack of knowledge. You lack knowledge. You still lack, if that's why you are a graduate, but you still lack knowledge. He said, my people are destroyed for lack of knowledge. He said, now you rejected knowledge. He said, I will also reject you and your children, and you no longer be a priest to me. God have licked us on it. So you better go and look for your sense where it was buried. All they know is to become a slave to their master. Nnamdi Kanu said it now. If not for blacks, I would have not known how difficult it is to fight for freedom for some monkeys. He said it now. He said, you will be the one. He said, I will not disappoint you. You will be the one to disappoint me. You see it happening today. Who disappointed Nnamdi Kanu today? They send the people gather around themselves. All that tribe, what they even do for Nnamdi Kanu, some Igbo animal have not been able to do it. They sold him out. They feel they are educated. That's why Benin will always say Ugbo Kanga if novice nature chair. Now they strong part because you need to put a SS name. But all those two people furniture, when you don't put it a lot, put a elbow stick, you go just come on. But Ugbo, Sisi cheese snake. Bah! Po! 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 Now that one they did the fast for Tego those years. Ijoko no Ugbo Ikun. Ayati Gbinigbina family. Ebun. Ona wo yo do Ajigbina told you. Why yo do Ijoko no? Ugbo Iga kan Joko or we can. But go give furniture. That's still your parlor use on stone ground. But the Joko, the one where they put for backyard. Very, very strong and healthy. Here we are. Education. Let me see from your profile again. You graduated from Mekboma. Any person that calls himself graduate, they mock him. Remove it, everybody is equal. You did not graduate. How you graduate in where you are. I'm already the one doing everything. You have not been able to metamorphose your head. Then about to speak Queen's English. It's just a language. Go to anywhere now. The same thing, they are weaponizing English right now. No country today, the British have not invaded. Even they invaded Spain. If you don't even know how to speak English in Spain, now you are a white person, they look you as Momo. And they have their own language. Right now, they've come to this place. You have to speak English. Now, that are they give people like us morale now. Anywhere you go, comment ça bien. Tu hablas anglais. Ah, anglais mi idioma. Como tú tienes lengua de español, yo tienes lengua de inglés. Esta mi sagre, inglés esta mi sagre. At time I'm proud to say this. You're not born ava. Mugu. They may as well translate for me, my dear. Now they translate for them. But you see how they are. And normally, English were not supposed to be our language. Edo is my language. But who brought it? Britain. Today, any person that cannot speak English, you mock at him. But you that cannot speak Edo, nobody they mock you. Then you become a sellout. Mumu. Everything about yourself, you sold it out for free. Hoping that you are reigning. Nobody right now struggle to say, we. Their English is everywhere. France, they have their own language. French is their language. Spain, Spanish is their language. Italy, Italiano, that be their language. But right now, go there. And people that cannot speak English fluently, you start mocking them. And it is not your English. It is not your language. You are speaking other people's language, other people's culture. They will speak, but you are happy about it. But your dialect, you cannot speak it. You are an ozumoron. But this same you will mock at people. That's why people will go to UK and go and learn how to speak English. They will go to America and go and learn how to speak Yemen. Look at American people today. How many people of them use their head in their social media? Don't you see the way they fool themselves? They take boy your one and one. It makes you, it draw you from your original state and put you in the state of where we are. That's what he does. But today, a lot of this microwave generation, all they know they can speak English and insult you. What they can write in English, tell them to write in their language. They don't even know. They know how to write Osaro, Osakpolo. Only few people can write it. Because everything we weaponize it to our system. Just to make sure we live where we are coming from. You have over-forgetted yourself. You feel is education. But you don't have education towards your own tradition. You have education toward the British Janjaweed. And they are happy. That's why you see this is today now. Hardly before you see an Igbo man that speak correct Queen's English. Hardly. That too much day. But with the minority, you see an Edo man speaking English. All those morons see they hate them with many years. It's just a language. Just the same way French person is speaking French fluently. The same way Spanish man is speaking Spanish fluently. That's the same way it is. But how now come that you are not seeing that person more academically balanced than somebody who is talking, using broken, but the word is more meaningful. Look at so many food of thought. In social media that you do see. Some of all these short, this thing that you listen to at times. They are not Queen's English. But they break it and break it and break it down. You understand it more better. But today now, even not because I have also brought myself and not go to school. A lot of you would have been hunting using he for she. Can you talk the way I talk? Tell them to come and say Sakman, you know, you can't say it in a simple English. But we are forming. Now I can talk English. If you see my boyfriend, a woman that we say, hey, my boyfriend is here, he will be very proud though, that his own boyfriend is a killer. This is where we find ourselves. They are very, very proud that my boyfriend is an Aye. He is a European. For those of us that have here, let us try to change this narrative. A lot of things today you are seeing as a blessing is a curse. A lot of things that you are seeing as a blessing, mind you, is a very big curse. Earlier, the better for you to restrain back yourself. For those of you that depends on your child for everything, you are still more brilliant than your children. Because what they teach your children in school is what they want him to learn, what they want him to give to the society back. Most of the children, they teach them some certain course to help the government promote agenda. It is in book of John 10:10 to steal, to kill, and to destroy. They are not teaching your children what will benefit you. They teach your children what will benefit them as a bad society, so that you will no longer have human sympathy. So cheat down your children. Will be where you were. My eye by yourself. Even when maybe working so young. That's why you see some children today. They will just come with one news. Because it's a big head. All they do, they are constantly scared. They obey every given authority. The watcher, they are also the watcher. They are in front of television. Such, how can you be looking for real news from BBC? They don't tell you the real. That's why today the massacre that's happening in Nigeria, they don't say it. Do you think they are going to tell you how Una the Kanu lawyer, they deny Una the Kanu lawyer from appearing in court, apart from the woman that they grant? Have you ever wanted to ask yourself, why are they always leaving that girl, that Lucifer? Why are they always leaving that girl to stand beside Una the Kanu? Why are they not allowing the international lawyer to be there? They will not show it in news. They don't show the massacre Nigerian government because they have been paid. Continue BBC. They are doing, don't say you don't hear now. Climate change. They may also bring the drugs later. You know our climate don't change now. We need to use drugs to subsidize it. They'll come and jet you again. Yeah, I am fighting for you, but you don't know. You take all this from me. You might have had it, but have you been putting it into practice? So if you look at the book of Luke 13 verse 24, we'll be running up here. He said, make every effort to enter through the narrow door. Because many, I tell you, will try to enter and will not be able to. You have to make every effort to enter through the narrow door. You know what I mean by it? Broad is the way that leads to hell, and narrow is the gate that leads to heaven. So what is going to lead you to free your freedom? It is very, very narrow. It's not broad. It's not even DOS. DOS, they are even disturbing Brafat trouble. It should be struck down and be rebuilt. There is full of criminal elements. You may not believe this. It's a narrow. It's a way. Make efforts. Whatever it takes you to make sure you are not indebted, do it. Don't. If your child tell you say, yeah, nana man, Bobby, si o mu o mo dano, o mono mameria, o me na mwaji jo mampo, emi ya mo mwaji rabo. There are things you know it more than your children. They can speak good English or speak the language more than you. Does not make them to be more intelligent. Be confident of yourself that what God has shown to you is real. That's why you go and meet some Baba. Baba that is going to tell you your future tomorrow. Now, boy, they speak. Oh, women working and they say, hey, women, hey. He does not speak English. But how comes he know about your future? What language was God speaking? What language was Moses speaking? Can you tell me the language of Jesus? Now English. I don't say you were because Robert Powell is Englishman now. That's why a lot of people, they like to pray to God with their English. Correct English. They don't even make mistake. If you need to see some people pray, they use correct English. Whether God would they hear, they don't know. God prefer to even you to use your dialect. Because you are born with it. You as an Edo person, is he hearing and in an Edo is your real language. English, they came out. Okay, before the Britain Janjaweed Caliphate, what language were we speaking in Edo? In 1897. I give you this assignment. Go and look for the language we are speaking. I'm not going to be dwelling on that. I'm ending the video right now. Lego before 1897. What language were we speaking? Was it English what we were speaking? It was even Obaseki who knows about, who go to school and we were doing interpretation. That's why he was what did they call this thing? It was the people that were doing, was the one that trying this treaty. Those days in the village, it is when you come from town, they will give you letter to read because Edo was their language. You went and brought this year English that have not put food at that table, that make our people to migrate away from home. Today you are happy. I can speak English very well. A lot of people, they don't do any other thing. They are always reading. That's why if you see them right today, they put apostrophe. You see some people. Question mark, they'll put on. Apostrophe, they'll put on. But not today here. Give them some issues to solve. They fall by the wayside. But in writing, let them come and explain to you how does what he's writing tally with the recent predicament we are facing in our society. They can't tell you. So that's why our fathers, our ancient fathers, still remain the best orator, the best auditors. All this word I'm telling you today, they formed it. Have you been able to form your own? No. You have not been able to form anything. All you were able to form was a year and a year. That you are killing yourself, you are happy. I'm a Bokania. I be system of You see all of you guys. Do you think European government will have bought you this nonsense? Yeah, they know one. Thank God, I mean, why we consalo for the graphinoside? Useless set of generation. They just look at today and forget about their tomorrow. Where they are coming from, they don't care again. Nobody cares. They don't even care how they can from here feed their society. People are fighting themselves for media instead of them for us to join hands together, talk from a platform and talk from a platform. And these are the same people that don't even have hope here. They don't even have hope here. They are never what they contributed to. I build house here in Spain. I am official Primera. Now B. I build your houses. What can you do? What can you, what service can, bring it out now. Let's bring it out. Go to my page and watch. Not be Badu. I the Detroit Bulwark. Through Christ. Through him that strengtheneth me. What can you do with your hands? Just to talk. And insult freedom fighters. Support useless DOS. Then you say you are in abroad. But you have been unable to feast up your home. Then tomorrow you tell me you are educated. Somebody that is educated is the one that fights for freedom. Illiterate, none of the fight for freedom. The literate ones, they fight for freedom for their people. Because they know what it takes for you to be enslaved or indulged into enslavement. People that go to school don't worship their oppressor. Now let Mumu, they worship their oppressor. There are very many in our states. That's why they can call you all manner of names. You think it's by writing. It's not only by writing. I told you before, assimilation period, all of them are sick right now. They are not talking. A graphinoside thank God that one is already there. So do have a nice day, everyone. Otina, come across your way again, man. Remember, Comrade Newton Benegum, the Archbishop of Activism, the hero for democracy, an ambassador for good governor, a patriot. Do have a nice day, and God bless you all. In the name of the ancestors of our land. Amen.